We are at Gulfside Healthcare Services in Newport Richey at this breathtaking new facility. And I'm so happy to be joined by Linda Ward. She is president and CEO of Gulfside Healthcare Services, as well as director of Philanthropy, Carla Armstrong. Great to have you both here today. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm going to start with you, Linda. Congratulations, first of all, because this place is absolutely gorgeous. I do want to hear about the community support and the philanthropic efforts as to how this was able to come to be.
Absolutely. Well, Gulfside Healthcare Services has been in Pasco County for 35 years, and so the community has embraced us from the very beginning, when we were very small with 30 patients to over 600 hospice patients alone now. And so our donors, our healthcare providers, the community in general, they know us. And so when we were looking to build this care center, there was just so much outpouring of support.
I love to hear that. That's amazing. And I do also want to find out about some of the cool things that are happening here. So if you can talk about the Butterfly Memorial Garden, that's a really neat thing to honor those loved ones.
It is, and there's a little bit of history to that. As Linda said, we've been here for many years, and we used to have a Butterfly Memorial Garden at the location of our first hospice house. And now all of those benches and pavers that loved ones have been naming for years and decades have moved here to its new permanent home. It's a beautiful new Butterfly Memorial Garden with an outdoor fountain, a garden pergola, just a beautiful, scenic, peaceful place to just reflect and remember their loved ones.
It really is beautiful. And I know there are opportunities, still existing other opportunities to be able to do something special for a loved one.
There are. Of course, as a nonprofit, we do rely on donations to help make this care possible. And we have some wonderful ways to honor a loved one or even yourself with naming opportunities. We have spaces here at the care center that they can name and remember someone forever, as well as our Wall of Caring tribute wall and the Butterfly Memorial Garden.
Love it. And I want to talk with you, Linda, just walking around and enjoying all these incredible features, like the water feature you see when you walk in, and just some of the beautiful places for families to get together and feel so comfortable. But what are some of the most amazing, the lighting here is gorgeous. What are some of the most amazing things, the best features that you see that really make this place special?
Well, the features came from our team. It wasn't just myself. It was our whole entire clinical support staff that met with the architects early on, 2.5 years ago. And it's more about what kind of feeling we wanted people to have when they walked in the building. Comfort, peace, solace. We knew that we were closer to the water on this side of Pasco County, so we wanted to have a coastal theme. And then really for families and patients, it's the comfort. It's the knowing that if someone is coming here in the last days of life, and I'm a family member, I could stay for as long as I want. There's amenities, there's food to be had, there's nothing that we won't be able to provide the families, because this is a very intimate time, and we are so grateful to be part of that. And so this facility really is their home as long as they need it.
And along with this being just a high caliber, beautiful facility, amazing people here being caretakers for those in times of need.
Oh yes, our team's the best. We have physicians, nurse practitioners, social workers, chaplains, nurses, certified nurses aides, volunteers, housekeepers. They are our heart and soul. And so my job is to take care of them every day so that they could take care of our patients.
Well, you're doing a wonderful job of it. We want to let our viewers know where they can find out more information. You see the information on the screen, Gulfside Healthcare Services. Thank you both so much for being here. Linda and Carla, I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for supporting us.